Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off controller vibration on Fortnite for Xbox, PS5 or other console like that. So the first thing I have to do is to turn off the controller vibration in Fortnite and follow this step. So the first thing I have to do is to for PlayStation. So this follow step is for PlayStation, Xbox and PC. So for you to do that, you have to launch the Fortnite and go to the main menu. Then from there, click the settings icon, which is the gear symbol in the right top corner. Then navigate to the controller settings tab, which is the gamepad icon. Then from there, scroll down again to vibration under the controller option, which is the section. Then toggle off the vibration. Then press apply to save the changes, and that's just a simple, straightforward, step-by-step guide on how you can turn off controller vibration on Fortnite for PlayStation, Xbox and PC. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.